Good morning, Bob.
Good morning, Bob.
Lee Jian, can you sing the one with me? Let's have a duet, please. It's from Shaula.
Shaula!
Crying, huh? Okay. Can you do that? Is it okay?
지은 씨요?
Come on.
오케이.
Shaula, yun na yan.
Yeah.
I don't know. My house.
자. As long as I'm with you, I can go wrong. Oh baby, what you do? 이러면 끝나는데? 이러면 짧은데? 어떡하지?
짜장.
오케이.
Pala, uy, pasinidyo si Honky. Ate Kring, Honky.
Si Honky naman.
Ano, sabi niya kita crowd.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're waiting for me. Never could imagine you're so strong. What can go wrong? Oh baby, what you do to me? You're the one.
Thank you so much, honey. Thank you.
Shaula, hug.
Okay, next question.
I think we're done with the question.
Good morning,
Oh,
Bob.
for Honky now? I have a question for Honky. Can you hug me?
No. Alright.
Please tell me, Chul, I love you. Anyway, well, it's time for our surprise. As you know, 2 members of FTL are celebrating their birthday. It's Honky's birthday today, and John's birthday tomorrow. And I think we have a surprise, first our surprise. There you go. Please bring them over to the stage.
Ano yun? Wow!
Oh.
Oh, there you go. We have cake for you guys, and we're actually gonna sing you a happy birthday song in Korean. Alright, practice, girls. 하나, 둘, 셋.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 여자. 생일 축하합니다.
Please go in that. Ready, Dave, and don't forget to make a wish.
Hindi ko na matiis. Tinan mo yun, oh.
소원은
Would you like them to tell us their wish on the mic?
Their wish?
Yeah. For me?
멤버 모두 다 건강했으면 좋겠고요. 그리고 저희가 이제 일본에서 활동을 하는데 성공적으로 잘 끝나고 올 수 있도록 오케이.
For Jonghyun, for the upcoming 2010, he wishes all the members to be healthy and for the Japan albums to be a big success.
저는요, 일단 저희 멤버들이 너무나도 지금 열심히 하고 있어서 그 결과가 이번 연도 안으로 정말 잘 나왔으면 좋겠고, 마지막으로 어떻게 하다가 제가 생일 파티를 멤버들이랑 한번 하고요, 우리도 희철이 형이랑 한번 할 것 같은데, 생일 파티 할 때 사진 안 찍혔으면 좋겠습니다. 네.
Okay,